Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would film a I guess I'm going to call it bride bag. So this is the bag I have. It says bride. I got it from David's Bridal online. I just thought it was super cute. It just has like rhinestones on it that says bride, and it's like a white canvas bag. And I thought this was really important to carry, for me at least, because it has the necessities I need for my planning process and when we go look at vendors or cake tasting, wedding dress shopping, whatever. So I started carrying like my handbag and all that. I was like, might as well make a whole bag for it, and I can use this bag on the day of to throw my stuff in, you know, extra pair of clothes, whatever it may be. Like important stuff to me, I guess, is what I would put in this bag, so I don't have to worry about carrying like one of my handbags around, especially if they're like nice ones. I just don't want to even risk it. So I decided to make a bride purse or whatever. I do know people do carry like bride bags around, but I wanted to do a whole video on it. I am doing a whole wedding series, and that's on my channel already. I think I already have episode 3 live on my channel. So yeah, I'm doing a whole wedding series to share my journey with you guys on my whole wedding planning process of it. We're still actually looking for a vendor. We haven't found one yet, but I feel pretty good on time because, I mean, I don't know, I feel confident on the time. I hope I'm like timing it right. I don't know. But yeah, we're hopefully gonna get married in August. If not August, then December. So it will all depend up until we find a venue, and then that's when we'll have our month that we want. But yeah, if you guys would like to see what is in my bride bag, then keep on watching. Like I said in the beginning, I bought this bag off of David's Bridal's website. I don't know if you can see the rhinestone. There we go. You can probably see it right there. So yeah, I got this from David's Bridal. It looked very like nice online, like more structured, but it's not a structured bag, so that kind of sucks, but it's okay. It'll get the job done. So let's take a look. It's just one big empty pocket, and then it has like 2 pockets right here. So yeah, let's go ahead. So in those 2 pockets I just showed you, I just have a pen. I got this off of Amazon. I feel like if it's the whole bridal vibe, it has like the little rhinestones in there, or crystals. The next thing I have in there, obviously, is a big one, which is my wedding planner. I bought this off of Amazon too. I carry my wedding planner. I love this wedding planner. It's super like nice and structured. It has this is what it looks like inside. It has your wedding vision board, fundamentals and timeline, guest planning, venues and vendors, and then our wedding day, which I probably won't be using that tab on my wedding day unless it gets after. But I like it. It's super cute and like chic. I love it. It goes with my vibe, you know, like the rusticy vibe. This budget savvy wedding planner and organizer. I have it tabbed off like on things I like that are key points for me. It's not just a wedding planner. It also has like, you know, like key points on like what you should look for, which I really like that. That's why I carry this around. I also got this off Amazon. I wasn't the only, like I kind of have this as like the rough draft, and then like final stuff will probably go in there. Final like thinking or thoughts will go in there, but I kind of like looking over this because it has a lot of items. But it's also like to show you how to be budget friendly with your wedding planning, and that's why I decided to purchase this one as well. But yeah, so like I said, I have it all tabbed off with the items that are key pointers to me that I find interesting or that will be very helpful. So I have this, and I'll link everything down in the description box below. If I don't, please comment down below and remind me to. The next thing I have is this Power Crunch Bar. You know, with wedding planning and like, you know, when you're on the road a lot, like searching for a venue you like. I mean, I am not a breakfast person, so like by the time I actually go somewhere and look, I'm already hungry, and I'm like kind of getting like pissy because I'm just like, oh, I haven't ate all morning. Gotta wait till after we're done with this venue to go eat. So I like to carry like these with me. I think it's very important just to like, you know, have like this quick snack, you know. So yeah, this is definitely a plus, and I do enjoy carrying these with me because they do come in handy when I become hangry. Like, that is a thing for reals, because, and it's my fault though, because I never eat breakfast. I literally just have coffee and then that's it. And then by the time lunch comes, I'm like, oh, I should have ate. That's because I'm just never, like, I guess hungry in the morning. So yeah. But yeah, so I carry these around with me. The next item I have is my Wedding Sites and Service magazine. Joshua got me this, I believe, last year, and I just like looking at it for, like, you know, it gives you wedding venue ideas for Colorado and stuff like that. And it also like gives you like some DJs and stuff. So we'll talk about some stuff that's like in this magazine, like while we're on the road. We do live pretty far, so that's why I carry it with me, just kind of like an entertainment thing. And like, you know, to give me ideas, like if I forget, like, oh, what do I like sometimes like I like some of the stuff in here, and it gives me like an idea so I can mention it to him or like to whoever we're with, like, oh no, this is like what I want, you know, like, so it's pretty cool to carry this around. I mean, it's not a necessity, but I do like carrying this with me. And then another item I have is this cleansing wipes, just for my tablet, my vlog camera. I do vlog, obviously, like when we go out and look for things, like for venues and stuff, or when we do any wedding planning stuff. So I do like carrying this with me just to sanitize everything and make sure everything's all nice and clean. I got these from the Target dollar section. So yeah, I carry these with me, you know, to sanitize everything I can electronically wise. So yeah, I do carry these with me in my bag. The last item in my bride bag is this tumbler I carry with me. I do only put water in it, so it's empty right now, and it says Future Mrs. If you guys would like to purchase one of these, let me know in the comments down below, or go check out my Instagram, which I'll have that in the description box, and message me on there, and I can make you guys one of these. I have an Etsy shop. It will be in the description box, but like if you guys want something specifically on yours, just let me know and I can make you one. But yeah, this just says Future Mrs. and I made this myself, and it's just like super cute. I love it. But yeah, so that is all that's in my bride bag, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.